got stuff from your Fogarty back with some Slaughter Rancher. In the last episode, I honestly don't remember what we did. I think we got like new slimes and we got some gardens going up, and we bought the grotto and the overgrowth. Yep. Alright, so these guys and these guys are gonna make some good money. And once we get more money, we can get more of the upgrades. For like my personal. Don't hurt me. Okay, there we go. Head back. I'm talking about these for like my back tank. Or my gun, or my main jetpack. 2,968. Okay. Activated. Oh, I already got all these. I do. Huh. Alright. Well, how much is it for this place? The lab allows you to begin your career as an amateur unlicensed slime scientist. 10,000. Okay. Can't get that right now. All I'm gonna do is make 2 more corrals right here. No, make 1 right here, actually. I can buy everything for it because I need the slow shielding, because I'm gonna put phosphor slimes in there. Phosphor slimes mixed with maybe some rocks. I don't know. Hold on. There we go. Oh, we're gonna explode them with gordos too. Like later, I'm gonna get gordos. Oh, new upgrade. Ow. Stop hurting me. A fruit, actually. So. Oh, okay. I hope I don't die. Need fruit to get to this guy. Phosphor gordo, diet fruit. He eats up to 50 fruit, so I'm gonna be here for a while just getting fruit and giving it to him. Okay, yep. Okay, yeah, you guys are mad. How do I do this? Oh, yeah. This will make sense afterwards, guys. I'm trying to make my way up and over there without using the key. Kind of like what I did in the last episode with the place where the honey slimes were. Is there a tar here? Yep. Oh, I wanted it. Nice. Ooh. Actually, I'm gonna mix phosphor rock, so I need that. A pink slime board. Yeah, there's party gordos around the map, but they only eat like, I think, 15 fruit. And they give you some party slimes and some of these ornaments, so I wanna find more of them. Mine. Do I need those? No, I don't. And we're in the overgrowth. Which just leads back to the ranch. Should I give the fruit to those guys? Yeah. I think that's what I'm gonna do just because they need food right now. Wait. Yeah, okay, yeah, they need food. I thought I was doing the wrong thing for a second. pink ornament, you can go right there. There we go. Roosters, we need to give them to the henhens so that we can get some more chickens. Yep. How are you doing, butterflies? Oh, I got a second one. Reverse suck. There we go. Alright, so that's 9 water plugs. How much are water worth? 57 right now, okay. I'm trying to remember to the place I want to get to now, exactly. Oh. What is this here? I don't know, I can't remember. I'm just trying to think. I don't want to take this series too fast because I know a lot about this game. I can probably finish it in 5 episodes, but that's the complete opposite of what I want to do. Oh. Okay. Star mail. Oh, okay, I get that. Okay. Yeah, and there's this thing again too, or 7Z rewards. Oh, actually, I should work on that too. I give them $750 to get a Rooster Weathervane. And it goes up to level 28, I think. Okay, yeah, shit. Good, never mind. Alright. So I need to make money. I'm gonna go look for some rock slimes now. Oh, I forgot to put down the garden. Ow. Hey, give it. I'm trying to think where. Oh, do I have any booms? Oh, I don't have any boom slimes yet. I might make phosphor booms, actually. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Get rid of that. I need to go all the way back now. Actually, no, I don't, because they're still. They're also at the pink slimes. Or, not pink, honey. Gotta sprint through here. Oh. I needed those. So since I'm getting, I guess I'm getting boom slimes for it, I can get rid of this. Get my boost back up. There we go. Make it. Yep. There we go. Now I just gotta wait for more boost to go over there. I don't get where that's gonna lead up to. No clue. Boom slime. Party crate. Another pink one. I don't want pink ones. Hey, sweet, I got a Q-berry. I don't need that. No, I don't want the pink slime. Pink slime. No, don't eat. You got stuck on the tree. You and you. I need more of you, though. I'm gonna take a right. Go up here, keep going forward. Actually, no, I'm gonna take a left. To this place. Or over there is a honey gordo. Ow. One more. Ow. Where'd you go? Oh, there I need more water. In case a battle tar slime comes around. Darn it, I didn't have any boosts. See, I was trying to jump from here onto that side with my jetpack, but I didn't have any power, so. See, honey slime. Diet fruit. I'm not gonna feed you this Q-berry just because I need it for my gardens, but. Yeah, no. Well, I guess I'm done here. Oh. Another Q-berry. Okay. heck off. This way now. Be mindful of my food so I don't fall in the ocean again. Gonna lose all my stuff. Thought I saw something back there. Oh, I need you. Monkey slime. Aw. Hey. Calm down. Stupid tars. Die already. There we go. Jeez. What the? Oh yeah, you're aggressive naturally, so you're alright. What's on top of here? Absolutely nothing. Alright, you guys can die for all I care. I don't need you. Aw. Oh, darn it. And he's got hay. Oh, darn it. How does this do anything? Yeah, okay, jeez. Oh, you're supposed to roll. You bounce around like a pinball machine. Okay, yeah, go up here. Okay, never mind. Down here. I wasn't paying attention to my energy. Here. Here. There we go. Okay, bye-bye. Stay up here. Stay above. Darn it. I'll take another one. Trying to listen in too. Because I know where a party gordo can spawn. And I'm looking for that spawn. Like, I'm trying to get up to it. It's up there. What just happened? Oh, you became you. Oh, I need you guys, remember? Thank you. Need to get up here? Yeah. Up here, then try to get onto that tree. No! Yeah, that's what I'm trying to make right there. Here I'm going to this tree. Yep. I can't tell if he's over there. I don't think he is. What's going on? Oh, okay, someone just died. Yeah, spawn for one could be like right here. Whoa, what's over here? Where am I? I say where am I in the last episode? I think I said I know where everywhere the map is. I know most of the area. Oh, okay, I know where I'm at. Okay, I get it. Because over there, never mind, that's lake here, so I'm not telling you guys yet. Oh, a chest over there, or crate, whatever you call it. Right over there. Back off. Gave me nothing good. I wasn't looking at my boost because I thought I was gonna fall off for a second, but I was like, I might make it. 3, There used to be an area before the game came out, like as like full version. It was right there for beta. Like there's an area over there. That's where the end of recording was. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you. And you also need to eat one of these. There we go. And me needs to make a garden with that. This, I'm going to remove crops, take up all these, put my mango in there. Ah! Ow. Is that all? 2, 4, yep. Put some more food in there for you guys. Alright, what was this quest again? I'm not gonna do it, it's not really worth that much. I think at this episode, or soon, I'm gonna be able to get to these guys. These 3 right here. Even sooner, I can get to this guy. Quantum slime. And that's like later. And then some other stuff that I know what to do is a little like maybe like 10 episodes from now, so I don't know. Alright, see how much money I can. Remember, I'm saving up for the science lab. Okay. Oh, I need to go see you guys soon at some point. You guys are going to be at 3,000? No, 2,300. Alright, you guys take that. I'm going over here and get these plorts back from these guys. Do falls for 4. Okay. Alright, so what's the most money making for me so far? I think puddle slimes are. It's this blue one, by the way. And the second is the crystal slime, the gray one. The third most money making is so far the boom, which is the orange one. That one. Oh. Okay. Alright, so it's nighttime, you know what that means. So leave till morning and come back. Did I buy this upgrade yet? Did now. Alright. Everybody eating? There we go. Yeah, you guys love this food. Alright, now you guys like this one too. And these guys like these. Alright, give you guys. Ow. Not very nice. Hey. God, get up over here. Okay, that's still for a second. Or no, first, second, third now. No, first, second, third. There we go. Quantum or rat slimes aren't doing that well, surprisingly. Okay, that was about to get spiked because I ran over on their spikes. Alright, there we go. Alright. This episode is going to be a little bit shorter, just because I'm only going to do one more day cycle, and then I'm going to end it, but... oh, I need fruit, too. Fruit, yeah. I need the vegetables for the rock gordo. My fruits. Not yours. Excuse me. Hit him with a shockwave. Alright. You're getting so fat. They only need 10 more. There we go. Here. Get up there. There we go. Okay. Back off, buddy. Ow. Oh, there's a tar over there. That's why it's making that music. Can I reach up from here? Yep. Double kill. Oh my gosh. Alright, well I guess I'm just gonna save all these guys. How many people did I save? 1, 2. Okay. All the others died? Yep. Okay, I gotta go up here. Why am I stuck? Some more water. And carrots. I don't like these guys. No. 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 No, no. Bad slimes. You can't trust them. Okay, I actually do. I needed those. Okay, I gotta go through this way. From Bob, okay. Okay, go through here. Oh, I need vegetables. Come on. One vegetable. Vegetables. It's probably the one time in my life I want vegetables. Alright. No. What? I need him. Oh yeah. So you saw that rock gordo? Well, he has a twin brother. Here. There. Oh, I know where that is. Yep, we're gonna be going to there next episode or so. Ow. Just hits me in the side of the head with spikes. Oh, I almost fell. Come on, I need vegetables. Bad slime. Okay, yeah, Rad Gordo. Did I show you guys him last episode? I think I did. Whoops. Are you serious? No vegetables? Okay, those look real. They're not. They Ooh. Me wants it. Any vegetables? No, just pink slime. And that. Hey, chicken. No. Oh. Another crate. Hey. Ah, I need you. Oh. Killed them. Ah. Okay, so far no vegetables. Oh, except for this heartbeat. None of those are real? Awesome. Any vegetables here? I don't think there's any vegetables. Yeah, remember that place that I showed you with that tree that was off the edge? Yeah, that place. You get through there from here. I almost. Give me a little bit more boost and I can make it. There we go. Where am I? Oh, okay, yeah, this leads to an area with chickens. Right? Yep. Go up here, there's like a chicken coop, and then like you have to go up to get out. Chicken coop, you have to get up to get out. Yeah. 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 Yeah, there we go. No, let me get on that one. Let me get up. Oh, made it out. Ooh, I'm going over there. Well, let's do some exploring. Oh yeah, that's the way to get out. Ooh, I almost didn't make it. I forgot to feed him that heartbeat. Perfect. Oh, come on. No. All of y'all back off. Back off. Stay away. I'm being like bullied from these guys. Oh, I need fruit for when I go back to the phosphor slime. Or not phosphor gordos. Any more fruit? Any more? Oh, no more. Okay, that's just like oh, there should be more carrots over there then. If all the carrots are right there. Yep, that slime just went in and ate some. Oh. Fruit. Vegetables. Alright, yeah, that should be enough. Back off. No. There we go. And just bounces up there. Ooh, more fruit. You're not fruit. You're plorts. I need fruit, not plorts. Wait, wasn't that back there that I had to go through? Yep. Gotta retrace my steps. It was like... Oh, no, no, no. My bad. You had to go through here. You go forward more, I think. You go this way. Yeah, yeah. And it's through here to the left. More like a missing gap is, yep. Alright, you better explode from this. Why are you... Rooster. Oh, heartbeat, I need you. Okay. Sweet, slime key. Did I get any vegetables from here? Yep. Back off. I don't need you guys. Right here. Don't fall. Yeah. There we go. Go back through. Actually, no, there's vegetables over here. Bad slime. No. No, sir. You're not killing anyone on my watch. Alright. Yet again, later I did let everyone die except for 2 slimes. Alright. Let's get through here without getting hurt. Hey, where am I going? It's this way. Whoops. I'm not sure if I should get here, the Gordo over here, like the closest one, or the one the farthest away, because the farthest away brings me to Volcano Island. Oh, on Onion, yes. To Volcano Island. And the other one just gives me a teleporter from the grotto to here. I might want that one. Either way, they're both teleporters, so... doesn't give me a key. He actually gives me a teleporter, like I said earlier. Oh. Ow. Ow. There we go. I didn't need any of that stuff. My entire inventory is filled up with vegetables. Gimme. Thank you. Thank you. I might be able to get both gordos actually. Like both rock gordos. Thank you. Poor chickens are stuck in the water. I'll free you guys. Okay, there you go. Have fun with that. Heartbeat, yes. Heartbeat, yes. I wonder if I'm gonna be able to get the... I might pop 3 gordos this episode, because there's this guy, and then there's also the radiation gordo, remember? Oh. Did another one fall behind here? Oh, okay. Hurry up, I can't, there we go. No! I needed that. Did I get it? I can't tell. Got it all. Ow. Yeah, you go through here, and now you're on Volcano Island. It's a pretty cool place. Very pretty. With all the orange flowers. Yeah, this is a natural home of crystal slimes. Is there vegetables in here? There is. They're just not fully grown. Ow. How do I get out? Oh, this way. Yeah, there's also a gordo here too. I know it's nighttime and I'm supposed to sleep right now, but yeah, there's the gordo. But I want to show you guys this area first. See, look, here's the gordo. Sup? I thought that's like one chin hair. I guess that's chin hair and that's his hair on his head. Alright, I make my way back. Oh, and if I open up my map, I'm still like where the gordo was, just because it's unknown by ranchers. Alright. I can hold those vegetables this way too, actually. Some right there. Stay away, get radiated. The radiation gordo should be, yep, right here. Here, take some 4 of those. Yeah, take that. Take 8 of these. That's technically 16 for him, because, if a slime favors a food, like his favorite is Okos, which I just fed him, one of those has a value of 2. Does that make sense? So, like 8 of them is worth 16. 20 of them is worth 40. Are there vegetables over there? Yeah, but they're not ready to harvest. These are. Oh, come on, they're just carrots. I need more than that. Oh. Heartbeats. Only funny if I had another rock gordo, because their favorite is heartbeats. Okay, here's one. Any other fruits? Vegetables? Any more? No, I don't see any more. Oh, come on. I did not look at my boost. Alright, just wait. Alright, good to go. Why am I going through this place again? I don't really need to go through here. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Is there vegetables in here? No. If you guys heard that different music, comment down below if you think what it was, because it's music to a new area. Like in the game, like this, like a new biome. Gosh, right? Oh, no, no, no. Yeah. I'm gonna go this way. Did I go through here already? Yep. Okay, I'm just gonna go through that way now. Because I really just want to pop one more gordo this episode. Like, go get my stuff from home and then come back, pop the rat gordo. Alright, don't get hurt. Or harassed by them, as I might say. Ow. You know, about you guys either. You guys are just rude. I don't need these anymore, but... Or these. I'm just so going to go give it my crystal rad slimes, just because I'm stealing the food. Yeah, you're about to... Oh, you're about to die, because, you're a phosphor. Remember, guys, when I showed you that happens to them? Let's just see if one dies soon. Is any gonna die? None are gonna die. Come on. Alright. I'll come back, you all better be dead. Alright, feed you guys these, because you guys are hungry. Jeez, there's a lot of fruit. Alright, you guys need this. I need these for the rat gordo, so I only need 25 though. Remember I said the gordos eat 50 and one of their favorite foods is worth 2, so I only need 25. There we go. There you go, you guys can have this. Alright, I'm gonna go through the garage to use that teleporter that I got from earlier. That brings me back to the rock gordo that I exploded. Just save some time. Oh yeah, I'm gonna use these corrals at some point. It's just not right now because I don't have really much of the use for them. And this game isn't multiplayer, so you won't be seeing Jasper just because it won't work. Like, the people who made this has not like made it multiplayer, which they really should, because it's such a fun game. It would be fun to play with your friends. There's like a shortcut to the place. Yep. Right over here. Yep. Alright, hurry up. You guys go towards those. And now, a quick way to get back to your place is just jump off the edge. Alright, well, I hope you guys. I'm gonna save that for next episode. I hope you guys like this video. If you want, you can like, comment, and share this with your friends. And if you subscribe, that'd be greatly appreciated. And I'll see you guys